We are now ready to program and machine our fourth operation. From our demo part print, you will see that we have a pocket in the center of our part. At this time, we would like to drill a 1/2 inch pilot hole for the coming end mill to plunge into at the center of this pocket. Our tool for this operation is a 1/2 inch diameter drill. No tool change is required for this operation. Select the drilling cycle key. Confirm that we are on level 1. If you are not on level 1, use the level key to toggle between the different levels. X is the center of our first hole on the X-axis. Type in 3 inch, press enter to continue. Y is the center of our first hole on Y-axis. Type in -3 inch, press enter to continue. ZS, this is your Z safety distance. This is the amount your tool will be above your starting point before beginning this operation. In this example, we will be using a value of 1/4 of an inch. Press enter to continue. Z, this is the starting point on Z-axis. In this example, we will be using a value of 0. Press enter to continue. P is our total depth. In this case, it is 480 thousandths of an inch. Press enter to continue. I, this is the amount we will be drilling per pass. In this example, we will be using a value of 0, meaning it will only take 1 pass to get to its final depth. Press enter to continue. T is the dwell time at the bottom of the hole. In this case, it is 0. Press enter to continue. Use the 1/2 key to select if you want coolant off or coolant on during the machining process. Press enter to continue. F, this is your roughing feed rate along the axis. In this example, we are using a value of 16 inches per minute. Press enter to continue. S, this is your spindle speed. In this example, we are using a value of 2800 RPMs. Press enter to continue. Using the 1/2 key, select if you want the spindle to turn clockwise or counterclockwise. For this example, we will select clockwise. Press enter to continue. T is your tool number. In this example, we are using tool 7. Press enter to continue. D is your tool offset number. In this example, we are using offset 7. Press enter to continue. Let's confirm the cycle in solid graphics so we can check for errors. Select the graphics icon key. For safety reasons, turn down the feed rate to 0. Press cycle start. The CNC will now ask you to turn up the feed rate. The CNC will now simulate the cycle. The process should complete with no errors. Press the escape key to go back 1 menu. At this time, continue and save the program. Press the P program key. At this point, we should still be under the program that we have created. If not, navigate back to the program. Once there, press enter to insert the drilling cycle operation into the program. To execute the cycle, press escape twice. You now see that there is a cycle start icon at the top of the screen. Turn down the feed rate to 0 and press cycle start button to begin executing the cycle. You will need to increase the feed rate after pressing cycle start. If gear ranges are an option on your machine, you may be prompted to change to the correct gear. Change gear and press enter to continue. Slowly turn up feed rate so execution can continue. To see additional information while the program is being executed, use the 1/2 key to toggle between basic and advanced screen.